Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you.
Hi guys, this is Hehe and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this makeup look for you guys wherein I used all products from ColourPop Cosmetics. So I ordered some products from the ColourPop website. I have them all here in this box. So marami to, pero hindi lahat nagamit ko on my face. Since this video is supposed to be a haul also, minention ko din yung ibang mga binili ko throughout the video while I'm doing my makeup. Yun namang iba dito, talagang matagal ko na silang gustong bilhin, pero hindi naman ako agad-agad bumibili ng mga makeup. So, matagal ko na silang pinag-isipan. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito spur of the moment thing, except probably for the loose pigments from the Kathleen Lights collection, kasi itong mga to, very new rin ito. So, I really like how this look turned out. It's a combination of medyo sweet, medyo bold, but fun at the same time. So, yeah. Before we begin with the tutorial, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos and so that you'll be part of our clique here. And if you guys want to know how I did this whole makeup look using all this, well, not all, using some of these ColourPop Cosmetics makeup products, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so let's do this again. I'm actually starting this video all over again. The eye look became a mess, so I have to remove everything again, and so we have a clean face. And we're gonna do this again. For foundation, I bought the ColourPop No Filter Sticks. This is in the shade Light 55C. Ito yung packaging niya. Ganda. White lang siya. May mga silver na accents. Tapos yung pinaka-foundation is in a white packaging as well. Very nice. It feels tacky on the face, which is expected kasi ganyan talaga yung mga stick foundation because of their, you know, consistency. Now we will move on first to the concealer. So I got the No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Fair 06. Ito siya. It looks like yung ano lang nila, liquid lipstick packaging. Yan. Simple lang. Very simple. I love this. I like the packaging nitong mga face products nila. So, put there. I know it looks so white. Nang parami yung lagay ko, but don't worry, later magpa-bronzer naman tayo, so no worries. I actually really like the consistency of this concealer. It's not too thick, pero kita nyo naman yung coverage, diba? Talagang na-cover niya yung dark circles on my eye area, which is something that I look for in a concealer because you know me and my dark under eye circles. Before I set my face, I wanna bronze my face using this, another one of their No Filter sticks, pero this is in the shade Dark 165N. I really bought this for the sake of bronzing because I wanna try it out. Because a lot of people say magandang pang bronze yung mga ganito ng ColourPop. So, onti lang. A bit lang here. A bit here. This is not really a contour shade. More on bronzing shade talaga siya kasi it's very warm. So, I won't recommend that you use this or na you buy this for the sake of contouring. Maybe a darker shade, pwede. Pero this one that I got, it's a not a bit. It's really warm for a contour shade. So, okay, so if it looks crazy, don't worry because pwede naman tayong mag-bake. We can sculpt this. So, okay lang yan. So now, I'm going to bake first, but I don't have any ColourPop powder, so I'm just gonna do this off-cam, and I will be right back with also the brows. Di rin ako bumili ng ColourPop brow liner, but I have their brow gel, so yun lang yung itatry ko today. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so hindi pala record yung camera, but I already tried the Brow Boss Gel, and ayan siya, okay naman siya. Na-achieve yung parang may pagka-bushy looking eyebrows. Kung hindi rin na-record, ganito lang siya kaliit. But, it's decent. Wala namang, for its price, actually, mura lang siya eh. I forgot how much. But I'm gonna put all the price sa description box so you can check it. Pero ayan siya. And eto siya sa brows. So, I really like yung bushy effect niya, especially here sa front. So now we will move on to the eyes. And for the eyes, I didn't buy any eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. Kasi meron naman ako ng Dream Street palette. But I bought 7 of Kathleen Light's loose pigments. So ayan sila. So I have the ram, the goat, the lion, the archer, the crab, the scales, and the scorpion. And for today, ito yung mga gusto kong gamitin. See the scorpion, the scales, and the crab. So, sila yung mga gagamitin natin today. I'm gonna zoom you in. Yan. First, I'm gonna dig into the Dream Street palette, and I'm gonna use this shade. May shimmer ba to? Yeah, meron. So, I'm gonna use this brown shade right here as my transition shade. Okay, and then I'm taking si Scorpion, and I'm gonna put this also on my crease, but I'm gonna use a very light hand kasi this can get messy. And kanina nagkalat na ako dun sa aking first try to do this video, not gonna lie. It wasn't a pleasant experience. So, but anyway, ito yung shade niya. It's a nice parang, I don't know how to describe this. Burgundy shade. Yun nga ba siya? Hindi ko alam. But I'm gonna use this here on the outer corner. And then, I'm slowly dragging this to the crease. But focusing it mostly here. Dito lang sa outer corner of the eyes. Then going back to my transition shade, I'm just going to blend the edges just to make sure na na-blend sila. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna take scales. This is like a blush pink shade, or actually hindi ko nga ma-explain tong mga colors nitong mga loose pigment na to, pero ganito siya guys. Ayan siya. Very pretty. Ayun na naman. Ayan. Ayan siya. And I'm gonna put this on the area where I didn't put eyeshadow here, almost half of the eyelids. So I'm gonna use a wet flat shader brush like this. And then I'm going to go back to Scorpion and intensify the outer corner. So now going back to my transition shade, and I'm also gonna start dragging the transition shade, the brown shade here on my waterline. And then with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to clean up the edges, go through this part especially, making sure na wala siyang harsh line. So I said I want to use the crab, and si crab, ilalagay ko siya actually dito sa inner corner of my eyes. This is also a very interesting shade. Hindi ko rin alam paano i-explain, pero para siyang periwinkle na color. I'm gonna have to take a very small brush and use it wet. So like this, something like this. Very, very, very tiny brush. Going to wet it. And I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of my eyes. Also gonna drag this here sa tear duct area. I'm gonna take a bit of this color right here from the Dream Street palette, this brown color right here, and I'm gonna put that on my waterline as well, just to add more depth sa look. So now, I'm going to move on to the other products in this haul dahil napakahaba. So I bought, ano ba ito? I bought 3 of their cream gel liner. Yung Mr. Bean, ginagamit ko na siya. Nagamit ko na siya ilang beses na sa aking mga makeup tutorials. So, wala na siya dito sa box. Pero nakita niyo na yon. That's the brown shade that I've been using lately. And then I also got this one in DTLA. This one is, I think, a blue. Yeah, this is a dark. This is a blue color. So, ayan siya. Very creamy itong mga, ayan o. Grabe sila. Very creamy itong mga liners na to. And then, I also have No Shame. So, No Shame naman is like a violet color. So, ito si No Shame. Yeah, it's a purple. So, for today, for this look that I have on my eyes, I think I'm gonna go for No Shame. So, I'm going to actually use this here sa aking lash line. Okay, so that's it for the liner. It's very creamy. That's what I can say about this liner. So, kung makakabili kayo nito, I highly recommend this one. So now, what I'm going to do is, hindi pa pala ako tapos sa eyeshadow. Hindi ako naglagay dito sa aking brow bone. I'm just gonna use this shade right here as my brow bone highlight. So, what else did I buy? Okay, so I bought, hindi ko na ito matatry today, but I also bought 2 of their Supernova shadows. So, I have Juvenile and LOML, Love of My Life. So, ito siya. Ito yung isang color and ito yung isa. Ito, parang kakulay niya si Scorpion. And then this one, it's more bronzy. So, hindi ko na sila magagamit today. Pasensya na. But, yeah, that's it for the eye look. So, I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face na. Alright, so the face has been baking for almost 20 minutes na. Ang tagal ko ginawa yung eye look. I'm gonna dust off lang the powder. Okay, now, I'm moving on to the blush. And for blush, hindi rin ako bumili ng bago. I have here yung mga lumang blushes ng ColourPop. So, ito na lang gagamitin ko today. So, I have this one. This is in the shade Between the Sheets. This is one of my favorite color of blushes. Maganda siya. Yeah. And this is what I'm going to use. I I have to work on this contour kasi hindi siya talaga contoured, diba? But since I didn't buy any contouring powder from ColourPop, I'm just gonna contour my face off cam and I will be right back. We will move on to highlighter. Actually, I bought 3 highlighters. So, ito sila. I have Lunch Money, which is like a crowd fave. And then I have this one, On the Cusp. This is one of Kathleen Light's favorites, I think. And also this one here, Kitty Kitty, na hindi ko alam, pero parang nasa refill packaging lang siya. Pero supposedly, ganito rin siya. So, for today, I'm just gonna use Lunch Money. Kasi matagal ko na itong gustong itry. Matagal ko na rin itong gustong bilhin. Pero I don't know kung bakit hindi ko talaga binibili yung mga matagal ko nang gustong bilhin. But yeah, this is what we are going to use. Okay, so the last product from my haul na hindi ko pa nagamit is this volumizing mascara, which is in Blue Yamine. So, color blue to, na hindi ko magagamit today kasi hindi siya bagay dito sa eye look na ginawa ko. So, I'm just gonna use this in another video. I'm just gonna use my usual mascara. And, yun. We will finish off this whole face. And, yeah. Alright, so we are now down to the lips. And for the lips, I didn't order anything. Pero, I got this freebie, an ultra matte lip daw. So, let's see. Try natin. So, this is in the shade Extra Toppings, which is like a watermelon. Ba't watermelon? Hindi ko alam. Ba't yun yung naisip ko dito sa color na to? Pero, ayan siya. Hindi ko talaga alam ba't watermelon naisip ko dito. Pero, yun. So, yan. Try natin siya. And we are done. So there you have it, guys. This is our final makeup look using all the new items that I got from ColourPop Cosmetics. And I really like how this look turned out. Medyo bold siya. But the eyes, it's actually very simple. Nakita nyo naman kung paano gawin. And actually, lahat naman ng binili ko, so far sa mga na-try ko, I like them. Except for the foundation stick that I used supposedly to bronze. Super warm niya. So, hindi siya bagay sa skin tone ko. Yun. So, I had to use another contour powder or contour shade para lang maremedyohan siya. And, ngayon, looking at myself, nawawarman pa rin ako sa kanya. It's almost orange on my face. Or at least, yung tingin ko, not sure kung ganun din yung kalalabasan niya. But, yeah, everything else, I like everything that I tried today. Especially the gel liner. And, itong mga pigments from the Kathleen Light's collection. I love these 3, especially, well, lahat sila gusto ko, walang especially. So, I'm excited to try out the 4 other shades that I got. Yun, medyo naging messy lang, palpak nung una because hindi talaga ako sanay gumamit ng mga loose pigments, ganyan. But, I really like how they look on the eyelids. And, yeah. So, yan. Ito na ang ating final makeup look. Let me know, guys, in the comment section if you want me to do a full face of makeup using another makeup brand. Kung meron kayong gustong i-recommend or naiisip nyo na gusto nyong makitaan ng full face makeup here on my channel, then just let me know down below. I would love to look into it and see kung kaya ng ating budget. But ColourPop is a very affordable international brand. Kaya rin, ito na lang yung inuna ko. So, there you have it, guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. So I don't have anything more to say. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!